Now I will show you how to prepare chart in Excel. Firstly, select the cell as required and then go to Insert and select the chart or recommendation chart and then select any one in these chart. Now I choose Clustered Column Chart. It's used to compare values across a few categories. Now your chart is prepared. And if you want to use multiple chart, then select the chart and click Write Anywhere on the page and then select the combo and then select desired chart type. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.